Alright, hello and welcome to my video once again. Hopefully all of you are well and having a wonderful time. My name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner. Today in this video I will be talking about how to start thinking in English, because from my point of view it's an important topic and we need to learn it, and I hope that if we can learn it then we will be better in English. And when we speak we need to think in English immediately, and after that we can speak. So that's why it's an important topic that needs to be understood by each and every one of us. So in this video I will share three effective and powerful ways how we can think in English, and I hope this video will help you a lot to start thinking in English. So without further ado, let's get started and let's get into it. So my first way is you have to make sentences in your head and name everything surrounded you. Okay, so if I explain it, then it's something like this. Supposingly you are going somewhere and you are on the bus, and while sitting on the bus you have to think like whatever you can see, like people are talking, people are listening to music, or some people are gossiping. You need to explain all those things in your brain. Okay, this is really an effective way to start thinking in English. In this way your brain will start thinking in English automatically without any translation. That's why you need to do it. Okay, so this is really a helpful way how you can start thinking in English. And also you must look at your surroundings and you need to name everything whatever you can see around you. For example, right now I am here in a park. I can see there are so many trees around me. As you can see over there is a beautiful place which looks so attractive. In this way you can also start thinking in English. So this is really helpful way, and you need to follow it. Also you need a lot of practice. Only then your brain will start thinking in English automatically without any translation. So this is my first way, and let's move to our second way. Our second way is talk to yourself in English. It might sound, it might sound little bit funny, but believe me, it really works. Supposingly you are walking on the street. As I said before, you need to think in English. Like when you wake up in the morning, try to say that you are going to brush your teeth now. And when you are eating, try to say this food tastes so delicious. And like before going to sleep, try to say today was a great day. This is the way. How easy to start thinking in English. You just need to follow these tips, or like follow this way. Only then you will be able to think in English. And when we speak with someone, we don't get so much time to think. That's why it's very important to practice a lot to start thinking in English. So this is my second way. I can give you my own example. When I go somewhere, I try to observe. Observe that. When supposingly, just a minute. Like I'm walking on the street and I'm observing so many things around me happening. I try to explain all those things in my brain. I don't need to tell those things loudly. I just try to keep those things in my mind, and I try to explain those things in English. When I make mistakes, I try to overcome it. I try to fix my mistake. So this is the way. If you want, you can also do the same thing. So this is my second way, and let's move to our third and final way. My final way is try to describe your day in English. Okay, like after end of the day, try to describe your day. If you did something really good or if you did something really bad, try to explain all those things in English. Okay, for example, today I woke up in the morning, then I went to college, and after returning from my college, I made a YouTube video. And this is the way. If you want, you can describe your daily activities in English before going to sleep. Really effective ways. I already shared three effective ways with all of you, and I strongly believe that if you can follow these ways, you will be able to start thinking in English, and you will be able to think in English. So try to follow these ways. If I summarize my whole video, then my first way was you have to make sentences in your brain, and also you need to name everything around you. And the second way was you have to talk to yourself while walking on the street or while doing anything. You need to talk to yourself. And my final way was describe your daily activities in English. So try to follow these ways, and I strongly believe that if I can do these things and I can speak English like this way, you can also do the same thing. You just need to believe in yourself, and you need a lots of practice. So try to believe in yourself and try to practice a lot, try to learn a lot. Because if you don't learn, if you don't invest your time, then how you can imagine then you will improve, or you will be able to speak English. So you need to believe in yourself and try to create a strong mentality. If you are positive, if you are thinking in positive way, then something great will happen to you. So this is the way how we can start thinking in English. I was getting so many questions regarding this topic. That's why I thought I should make a video about this. And finally today I'm here in front of the camera, and I already shared my ideas with all of you, and I'm so happy. That's why. So if you found this video helpful and beneficial, don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Every day I'm trying to share my own ideas with all of you, and if you are so willing to learn English, if you want more videos like this, then please considering to subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for me. And yeah, that's all for today. Let's see what can I do for you in the next time. And I'm recording this video at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park in Narayanganj. This is one of the best places inside Narayanganj city, and I already made so many videos over here, so I really love this place. So see you in the next time. Till then, have a great day to all of you. Take care of yourself, and bye for now. See you in the next time.